I am from EC background. Before joining this institute, I don't have any knowledge about technical skills, and I have joined this institute on March, and now I can explain about Java, SQL, and web technologies which I have trained here. And Vivek sir will explain the topics clearly so that we can perform in front of interviewer. And when I have attended the first interview, I am unable to crack the interview. Prajwal sir said we have to attend more interviews so that we can get more experience and we can able to perform in front of interviewer, and we should not fear in front of your interviewer. Whatever we know, we have to tell the interviewer with confidence. And I have learned many things from this institute. I can able to crack the interview because of the explanation of the lecturers who are explained here neatly. And I have placed in Tarantula Global.